Zero, the OG from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, coming to you live from Asia. This is our 6 p.m. update, guys. Hopefully you guys psyched. Hopefully you guys are pumped, ready to jump into a fantastic video. Guys, don't forget to watch this video completely from start to finish. Don't jump off in the middle. And if you feel tired, pause, go get a cup of Joe, wake up and watch this thing to the end, guys, because we've got a really interesting jam-packed video for you. We're a little bit more upbeat right now. Guys, just remember, watch out for nasty scammers in the contents. And remember, none of this is financial advice, guys. This is just me expressing my opinion. You guys need to do your own risk management. And before we jump in, I just want to say thanks to all my subscribers. Guys, if you're watching this right now and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now. Smash the likes. Let's jump into it. Right now we can see that Bitcoin has been going pretty much sideways for quite some time, pretty much flatline. And, I know that a lot of you are getting kind of depressed and developing negative sentiment right now. But you guys just need to understand something, that what the pattern that we're seeing now, we also saw that way back in July 2020. So we're seeing a similar kind of pattern fill out right now. And, this is pure, in my opinion, this is about the manipulation. This is about the Wyckoff pattern. We're, moving into phase E, and we're definitely going to be seeing some upside soon. It doesn't feel like it right now, but you can see a very similar pattern. A lot of sideways, flat, kind of like in the doldrums. And then we also saw the same kind of thing in September and October, after we kind of had this, the end of July. We saw this increase in 2020. Then we saw a really big, downward spike. And then as we got into November, December, look, guys, look what happened. So I believe that we're following a similar kind of pattern, and we're going to start to see some major upside as we head into winter. That's what I believe. And, you guys have to be really prepared. I'm really bullish right now. You guys should still be bullish. Yeah, it doesn't feel like it. It doesn't look like that. And it's not about time in the market. This whole business is about time in the market. How much time do you spend in the market? It's not about timing the markets, okay? It's really impossible to time the markets, okay? It's just impossible to time the markets. You just have to stay in the market. That's really what's important. If you want to be successful, you just have to learn to stay in the market. So, that being said, guys, being bearish on crypto right now is like being bearish on the internet. Remember the internet in the 1990s? So being bearish on crypto right now is like being bearish in the 1990s. So, you guys have to understand, if you go to this tweet here by Sundance, you guys need to understand. Remember, whenever Bitcoin volatility comes down, this usually significantly signifies a breakout. So we're seeing, and I talked about that earlier today, that we're seeing significantly lower and lower volatility. And what that means is that, Bitcoin is not going like this. We're having very low volatility. We're seeing price ranging about $1,500 a day up and down, and just kind of been going this way. So when you have lower volatility, this in consolidating mode like this often means that we're going to have a breakout is pretty much imminent. So in my opinion, and not only my opinion, but many people are saying this, that in my opinion, I believe that this is just a ticking time bomb. This is a ticking time bomb, and we're going to see that Bitcoin is just a ticking time bomb and is ready to explode. It's really ready to explode. We can just see here, that BTC is coiling up like a spring, building lots of pressure, and it's a ticking time bomb, guys, and you guys just need to be prepared for that. You guys need to just hold, guys. And we're seeing a very similar pattern with Doge right now. Also, Doge, we're seeing a very similar pattern. So if we look at the Dogecoin pattern right now, you're seeing a very similar pattern. We've been pretty much going down from our all-time highs where we had in May, and we just continue to keep consolidating. Yeah, we're having a little bit of range boundness between 21 and 19 cents. And I know that, you guys are getting a little bit tired of it, but this is just part of this whole consolidation, and we're definitely going to get there. We're definitely going to get there, everyone. You guys just need to have diamond hands and don't panic. We're just seeing this whole consolidation phase, and Dogecoin is really being affected right now by Bitcoin. So that's something that you guys need to understand, and you guys need to be really patient and don't panic. I mean, it's hard to be positive when you see things consistently down. Like Dogecoin is down over 5% today. And, Dogecoin is still not hitting our 20-day EMA. And you can see that here. We almost hit the 20-day EMA, and then we got rejected. And it wasn't just a little rejection. It was a huge rejection that we had in here. This is our 50-day. This is our pink line is the 20-day moving average. Now we're still well past my purple rain trend line, but it's still not looking good. But once again, it's all because of this. It's all because of BTC. Once BTC gets out of this range boundness, it's going to start to take off, guys. So I really wouldn't be too don't panic, guys. And we can see that there's still a lot of positive catalysts going on for BTC. We can see that right here. If you look at the number of addresses, over 100,000, addresses holding over 100,000 BTC, that it's the highest amount of accumulation by whales in 12 months, guys. It's the highest accumulation ever. So you guys need to understand, despite this negative sentiment, there has been the largest accumulation in BTC in the last 2 years. And this is a fact, guys. You can't deny it. So you can see here that William Clemente is also saying the same thing. We can see that there's been a huge amount of accumulation. So this is a glass node. You can see that here, this is from when we had our all-time highs up in here, and then we came down. But now you're seeing, since the crash in May to June, we saw a lot of Bitcoin was sold on exchanges. But since then, we're seeing a huge amount of accumulation. So this just goes to show that the whales know something. They're definitely accumulating, and they're holding Bitcoin. So this should tell you all something, that something big is happening. So Bitcoin is gaining traction. The sentiment acknowledges that Bitcoin whales are accumulating during a time when the market outlooks is bearish. So remember, you always want to do the opposite of the market. So if the market is in euphoria and everybody's buying and everybody's going nuts, this is the time to be selling. But when everyone is depressed and everyone's down, it's like the end of crypto, and the crypto winter's coming. This is the time when you want to be buying. This is the time when you want to be accumulating as much Bitcoin as you can. And this is the time to jump in. So really, the whales absolutely know exactly that this is the time to be accumulating. And we can see that right here in William Clemente's post, that there's been more BTC accumulated since June till now than ever in two years, guys. So this is really telling. So let's jump into some of the other news right now. Let me get this pop-up out of the way. I hate these pop-ups. Remind me later. Thank you. So you can see that Fidelity Digital is to expand its staff by 70% amid crypto boom. So this is really amazing news. Fidelity is one of the biggest financial institutions in North America right now. And they have more than $3 billion under asset management, more than $3 billion. So, and right now, as you know, since 2014, Fidelity has started Bitcoin mining. And they really didn't tell the whole world that they're into Bitcoin to 2018. Big shocker there, right? So they have, tons of digital assets under management. And what they're saying is that they want to hire more staff, much more staff, because there's a huge demand from their clients when it comes to Ethereum. So Fidelity is definitely jumping on the bandwagon, and there's going to be a huge amount of institutional buying into Bitcoin. There's going to be Ethereum ETF. So Fidelity Assets currently only offers custodial services for Bitcoin, but its growing interest, in Ethereum could mean that that's going to change soon. And Jessup, the president, added that the firm plans to offer trading on more frequent basis. So we need to have full-time staff to work, and they're looking at ETH, because there's been a huge demand institutionally, not only for custodial services, but for the buying and selling of Ethereum and other crypto assets. So this is really huge, guys, that Fidelity is now hiring more people, because they know that the crypto boom is going to come. They know there's going to be a huge amount of demand coming, and you guys need to just be a little bit more positive, step things up. Don't be weak Nancy's. Don't be weak Nancy's, guys. And just keep positive, guys. Keep positive. Keep the train going. Keep the good vibe going. Other big news is that you guys know about. Bank of America establishes crypto research team. This is also big. This is, Bank of America is one of the second largest banks in America, and now they are looking at setting up a crypto research team. So what does that mean? It means that the institutions are now telling us via the news that they are now getting more and more into crypto. There's a boom coming. We're seeing the BTC consolidation. It's almost over, I believe, and we can go back to 2020, and we can see the big consolidation before we had the big liftoff. We can see these consolidations time and time again. Patterns repeat themselves. So you can see here that in September to October, like I said earlier, November, we had this huge impulse from September, flatline, similar to what we're seeing now, and then suddenly we exploded, guys. So you guys just need to be patient, don't panic. So once again, as I've told you guys over and over again, Dogecoin right now, as you know, is trading around about, let's take a look at the chart. So Dogecoin is trading at 20 cents, 2204. So I think we're going to go down to 19 cents. I believe we're going to go down to 19 cents. But you can see here in this chart, we have major support level at 19 cents. Major support around here. And then we have major resistance at 23 cents. We are not going to see Dogecoin break out until we see Bitcoin start to go beyond 35,000. So I believe that we're just going to have this pattern for Dogecoin, which is going to be going range bound between 21 cents, 21 and a half cents, and 19 cents. But I don't believe we're going to drop anytime soon below 19 cents. That's what I'm saying. I'm not trying to jinx it, but I don't think we're going to drop anytime soon below 19 cents. So let's just jump into the rest of the markets, and let's do it. Let's get into the rest of the markets. Woohoo! So right now we can see that the overall market cap is 1.33 trillion. The total volume, ignore this because something's going on with CoinDex. I don't know what's going on. My dominance is coming down. It's going up a little bit. It's up 0.16%. And my gainers and losers, 87% losers and 13% gainers. So, like I said, it's been a pretty bad day overall. And, nothing really to panic about. We're just going to have to, once again, be patient, have diamond hands, don't panic. We're going to get there. So Bitcoin right now is down 3%, and that's down to 33,161, guys. Luckily, Ethereum is back up over 2,000. In the morning here in Asia, it was down a little bit. It was below 2,000. So we've been able to go above 2,000. So that's really good news. That's really great news. That's what we need to see. And we're almost down, almost 5%. BNB is down almost the same as Ethereum, almost down 5%. And that's at $315. ADA is down 3.20%. And that's trading at $1.32. And my Doge in the house is down 5.50%. So once again, Doge is well below my 20-day moving average. And if we want to see any hope of lifting off to 23 cents, we need to break past this moving average. You know, we attempted to do it. We thought we were going to do it, but in fact, we got rejected. We got rejected right here, and we wicked all the way down, and we went down almost 7%. So guys, you guys just have to remain as positive as possible, as bullish as possible. We're going to get there together. You guys don't worry about it. We are definitely going to get there. The OG in the house, the Crypto Daily Trade Signals, we're going to get there. And guys, we've got a ton of videos. If you haven't watched any of these videos, go back and watch these videos. Some of them are really barn burners. You can go back and just refresh. So please do that, guys. Go back and watch the videos. Please comment. Please share with your friends. And once again, guys, if you love this video like I love you guys, I really do love you guys a lot. And my subscribers, thank you for being on this journey. Please smash the like right now. Don't hesitate. Either smash it hard or gingerly tap it. Please subscribe down below. Go down right down there. Subscribe right now, guys. I need you to subscribe. And if you guys are watching this channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now. Check out my links below. I've got NFTs links, free. I got NFTs. You guys check those out. Some really beautiful stuff. I got free charting tool. Who wouldn't want a free charting tool? I know you guys want a free charting tool. Bybit has got some Bybit cashbacks. They're offering like $50 cash back to 6 lucky winners and a nano wallet. Now you need to have a nano wallet with this FBI warning that's flying around. So guys, just to let you know, you're probably going to see more and more of my videos are going to be shot indoors. Not going to have the beautiful backgrounds because we got this COVID stuff and we're getting into a serious lockdown over here. So guys, once again, be blessed. Go with God. I love all of you guys to death. So hopefully you guys have loved this video like I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. There'll be an update at 9 o'clock. Woohoo, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get pumped. Dogecoin spreading some love. Dogecoin spreading love. Purple rain. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next one. This is the OG from Daily Crypto Trade Signal saying I'll see you in the next one.